In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Excel chart series colors changing together. Open Excel, then open your workbook. Go to the chart and click once on any marker from the first data series. If this is the Product A series, click one Product A marker. You should see small selection circles appear around all markers in that same series. That selection matters because Excel needs to know you are formatting the whole series, not the chart area or a single point. With that series still selected, right-click the selected marker. From the menu that appears, choose Format Data Series. The Format Data Series pane opens on the right side of the Excel window. At the top of that pane, click the paint bucket icon labeled Fill in Line. Find the Marker section and expand it. Inside Marker, expand. Fill. Choose the Solid Fill Radio button. This tells Excel to use a fixed marker fill instead of an automatic color. Next, click the Color dropdown, which looks like a paint bucket with a color bar. At the bottom of the color picker, click More Colors. In the Colors dialog box, switch to the Custom tab. Now enter the custom color values for this first series. In the red field, enter 0. In the green field, enter 112. In the blue field, enter 192. Take a moment here to make sure each number is in the correct field, because these three values define the exact color Excel will apply to the series. Click OK. The first series markers now use that custom solid fill. Now repeat the same solid fill process for each remaining series on the chart. Click a marker from the next series. Right-click it and choose Format Data Series. In Fill in Line, open Marker, then Fill, select Solid Fill, open the Color dropdown, choose More Colors, and use the Custom tab to enter the RGB values for that series. After entering the red, green, and blue values, click OK. Continue series by series until each one has its own custom solid fill. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. To verify the colors are now independent, click any series marker. Open Fill in Line, then Marker, then Fill, then the Color dropdown. Pick a different color for that selected series. Only that one series should change. The other series should stay locked to their own RGB values, which confirms the chart colors are no longer changing together.